Welcome to today's video. We're embark on an exciting journey into the world of IBM Data Science. Get ready to uncover the transformative power of data and explore the incredible features that IBM offers to data enthusiasts and professionals like you. And to get started with the website, simply head on over to IBM Data Science and click the official site. Now we're on the home page or the interface of the website, like you see here. Here we will find all the key features that the websites present to us. We'll find the products from here, solutions, consulting reports, more. And for these key features here, we have the overview, benefits, use case, solutions, services, case studies, resources, and for the next step. Now to register, you need just to go from this person here, click on login, and create an IBM ID from here. If you have already an account, you will just write your IBM ID here, and if you want the computer to remember you or not, this your choice, and click continue and you will get in. So this is the first time I create an account on IBM ID, so that means I will click on this one here. And I have this information here that I need to fill the email address, you need to enter your email address, your first name and last name, and you need to create a password. When these sentences become green, that means the password is valuable and good. That means it's contain all these steps here. Now you need to select the country or the region of residence. Then you need to click on next here for completing the information of the account. So now for the verification code, we need to go to our inbox. So we will find this here from the IBM security, and this is the code here. We need just to write it on this one. So we create the account successfully. Like you see here, this point here, that means we are in our profile in the IBM. So now the IBM Data Science provides a comprehensive suite of tools and platform designed to facilitate data analysis, model building, and deployment. This includes IBM Watson Studio, which offers a collaborative environment for data science teams, and IBM Watson Machine Learning for model deployment and management. And for the features here, we have this very important features and every kind for this website. Like example, the products. There is here different kinds of products that you need just to click on what you want to see them. And here all the types for the products that may need. For this product, I click on the Environmental Intelligence Suite. You can just change what you want to know about the Environment Intelligence Suite from here, the overview or the why act now or the benefits, features, demo videos, and or the introducing IBM's new geospatial foundation model. There is more services that is present to us in each product that you want to look at him. And also for the solutions, you will find here the open ecosystem and accountability, because the IBM Data Science support the open source technologies such as Python and R, providing accountability with popular data science libraries and framework. These enable data science to leverage their exciting skills and workflows while benefiting from IBM's tools and resources. Like you see here, we have here the same thing. We have the overview, the benefits, products, use cases, case study, and next step if you want it. And for this case study here, or we can call this also the key feature of educational resources and certification, the IBM Data Science offers educational resources. Now, give me a moment. Yeah. Educational resources including courses, tutorials, and certification to help individuals enhance their data science skills and stay up to date with the latest industry trend. These support continuous learning and professional development within the data science community. And also these industry specific solutions, the IBM Data Science caters to various industries including healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and cyber security. It provides industry specific solutions and use cases that address the unique challenges and requirements of different sectors. And if you find any issue or any problem on using the site, we have the most helpful thing in the IBM. It's the support here. The support and services on the IBM offers support and consulting services to assist organizations in implementing and optimizing their data science workflows. These ensure that users can maximize the value derived from IBM data science solutions. So this will be our video today. I hope you get understand, and if you like the video, please follow for more and subscribe for see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next time and next websites.